Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel to Tech Chat. Today I have come with a new video on the Linux video series. So today I will show you how to reset your root password if you forget the password. What happens if you forget the password? If you forget your root password or any other user password, you can't access your operating system. So that's a big problem. What kind of scenario we have to face this problem? Let's say you have not saved your user's password and then you can't remember the exact password and you are unable to access your operating system. And also, let's say some people have added controllers for their operating system. On that kind of situation, they apply password expiration. So let's say the password expiration set for 1 month, but after 1 month you have forgot to reset the user's password. So what happened then? There is no way to access your operating system. So in this kind of scenario, you must reset your password. So today I will show you how to reset your root password. Guys, you can see on my screen I have opened Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, and the left hand side you can see the techchat_web_server virtual machine. So I will show you what are the steps we should follow to reset root password. So I have listed down them on the notepad. You can see on my screen. First, you must take a snapshot of your virtual machine. If you have a virtual machine, you must back up your state. Let's say when you do this, you did some mistake and you can't boot your operating system. So in that kind of situation, the snapshot will help you and you can revert the operating system to the previous state. So this is a normal, practice the IT guys follow before doing any changes on their virtual machine. So please remember this one. You must have the backup before doing anything. So taking a snapshot is a backup method. You can revert to the previous state if you have taken a snapshot before the activity. So that's why I have mentioned that one as the first step. The second one is reboot the machine, then press any key to stop boot process. So normally it automatically boot the process. So then you must stop that one pressing any key on your keyboard. Then you have to select your kernel from the boot menu and press E to edit it. Okay. So then after from the grub option, so you need to find the line that starts with Linux 16 and go to the end of it. After that, you need to enter rd.break without quotes and at the end of this line. Okay. So the first, I will show you those 4 steps how to do. So guys, now I have opened my Oracle VirtualBox VM Manager. So I am going to reboot this. This is already power off. So I will start. Then it will start to power on the virtual machine. Okay guys, now you must press any key to stop the boot process. Okay, I have pressed a key and now boot process was stopped. So now you can see that my kernel on top of this menu, Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server. So now I'm going to edit this kernel. So press E to edit the selected item. Okay, now as I mentioned earlier, from this grub option, so these are the grub options. So I need to select which one is start with Linux 16. Okay, I will come down with arrow keys. Okay, now you can see Linux 16. So this one is that line. So I need to go end of this line. Okay guys, now I need to add rd.break at end of this line. So I will add it. After adding this, I need to save and exit from here. So for that, you need to press Ctrl+x. So you can see on my notepad, now press Ctrl+x to boot with this saved option. So if you need to save what we did, so you need to press Ctrl+x. So this will load the root shell. So let's have a look how we can, so let's see that how will be the view of it. So come back to your virtual machine, press Ctrl+x. Okay guys, now I am in the root shell, so I will go back to the notepad to check out what is the next step. In this mode, the root file system is mounted in read-only mode to sysroot and must be remounted with read-write permission because we are going to change root password. Here at this moment we have only the read access. So if we are going to change the root password, it's a write process. So it means that we must remount this with both read and write permission. So we have to do this. Okay. So we have a command for it, mount dash or remount comma rw and sysroot. So I will type this command. Okay guys, now please press enter. Okay, now we remounted with both read and write permission. So now we can change root password. Let's see what is the next step. Now change into chroot jail. Then command we execute only apply to sysroot. We must do this part and use below command. So now we must go to the chroot jail. Then any commands we execute will apply to sysroot. So then we can change root password. So please type command chroot/sysroot. I will type that on virtual machine. Okay guys, now please press enter. Okay, now we are on root shell. Now we can change the root password. So any command we perform here will be applied to the root. So it means if we enter command passwd, so the root password we can change root password. So I will simply type passwd, press enter. Okay, change in password for user root. So now you can add a password you can remember. Okay, I will add a password for myself. Now I will press enter. Now it is asking to retype new password. Okay, sorry, password do not match, so I did a mistake. I will correct it. Okay guys, the password was changed successfully. So now what we need to follow? Okay, after reset password, now we need to create a auto relabel because in this mode files will not be overwrite and etc shadow file will keep same and no changes will be applied to root password. Guys, so when we change a password of a user, so that change will be applied to the etc shadow file on our Red Hat operating system. But here in this mode, these changes will not apply to any files. It means that in this mode, files will not be overwrite. So we have to create a auto relabel. So then if we create auto relabel, so all the files will be overwrite. So then etc shadow file also will be overwrite. So we need to create a auto relabel. So we have the command on my screen you can see this command. So I will type this on my shell. Okay, now I will press enter. Okay guys, so after this we need to exit from this shell. So we have to type exit twice. On my notepad you can see we have to type exit 2 times. After the second exit, our operating system will be start to reboot. Okay, I will type exit and exit again. Okay, now you can see it's showing logout, so it means that my operating system is going to reboot. Let's have a look, and after the reboot process we will access using our new password. So if we can access our operating system using new root password, it means that our changes are fine. This will take few minutes to reboot the operating system. Let's wait for that. And guys, please don't worry, I will put these commands on my description, and also I will mention my website, and on that website I have a page created for Windows, networking, Linux, and for DNS, email, and many more things. So then you can simply read the articles in each page. Okay, so I will mention the page for this troubleshooting. Okay, so then you can see these commands in my description, and also you can access my website and read the article regarding this. Then you will have a clear idea what we should do if our user passwords are not remembered to us. So then you can follow the steps I mentioned here, and you can follow the commands I mentioned in description. Then you can easily reset your root password. After reset root password, you can simply change other users' password. And guys, also I need to mention that please go and watch my other videos also under other video series. I have video series uploaded for DNS, networking, email, Linux, Windows, networking, and web hosting. Please go and watch those videos. They will improve your knowledge. So I will access using root user. Username is root, press enter, and I will add password what I change here. Okay guys, now you can see login is success. I was able to access my Red Hat 7.7 operating system. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and share these videos with your friends. And in future videos you can learn many more things. So please click on bell icon, and you can get the alert when I upload a new video. So thank you very much.